Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I want to show you how to answer. Negative number 3 we can put into negative 6s plus 3s. This one we can do about factorization by s. This one by number 3 in here. Now we can do another factorization by s minus number 6. Next, we can simplify this one on this one, and now we just have s plus number 3. And now I will put number 6 gone here, and we have number 9. That is the end. Thank you for watching.